Hello students, this video is about basic algebra for O-level students, as when the students of O-level final year, they are starting to prepare or to revise algebra which they read in grade 7th and 8th. Most of the times they feel difficulty in solving those questions, as because of long time has been passed, so they are unable to revise or they are unable to recall what were the concepts. So let's do these questions. I have taken these questions from past papers. Let's start solving them. We are solving this question first. 7 over 6a minus 5 over 9a. So since a and a is the same denominator, so we will take LCM of 6 and 9, which will definitely be 18, or otherwise you can take LCM by this procedure. First divide them on 3, then 2, and again 3. So the LCM will be 18. Multiply this fraction with 3 and this here, and this fraction with 2. So you will get 21 minus 10 over 18a. This becomes 11 over 18a. That will be the answer. Now B part. Simplify 3b times b minus 1 minus 2 times b minus 2 b plus 2. These two brackets will be opened by using the identity a minus b, a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b squared. And here you will simply expand. It becomes 3b square minus 3b minus 2 into b square minus 4 according to this identity. So finally it becomes 3b square minus 3b minus 2 times b square plus 8. 3b square minus 2b square makes b square, and then we have minus 3b plus 8. That's the final answer. Next question is factorize. So first part is 15x squared plus 10x. The first rule of factorization is take common. If you have any term common in between, we can see clearly that 5x is common. So if I take 5x as common, I will have 3x plus 2 as left. That's the answer. We cannot do anything further in this, as we have to factorize it. Second part, t square minus 2t minus 15. Since it is a quadratic expression with 3 terms, we use factorization by using midterm breaking method. Means we have to write midterm in terms of those two numbers whose sum give me 2t and product give me 15. So those are 5 and 3. Becomes minus 5t plus 3t minus 15. And further, I have, if I take t as common from these two terms, so it becomes t into t minus 5. And plus 3 as common from these two, this will also become t minus 5. Remember, both of these brackets should have same values. Now I have t minus 5 into t plus 3 as the answer. Right. Now B part, solve for bracket x minus 0.3 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 0.2. You have to expand the brackets first. This will become 4x minus 4 times 0.3 is 1.2 is equal to 3x minus 0.6. Further, I will have 4x minus 3x is equal to minus 0.6 plus 1.2. 4x minus 3x is simply x. Negative 0.6 plus 1.2 is definitely 0.6. That's the answer. X is equal to 0.2. Next question. A part is factorize completely. 15a square plus 12a cube. Simply 3a square is common. So take 3a square as common. I have 5 here and plus 4a. That's it. We cannot do neither any identity is applied nor any other thing. So that's the answer. B part. 1 minus 16b square. You should be careful in this kind of question that since 1 is the square of 1 itself and this 16b square is the square of 4b. So 4b square. Whenever there is a negative sign and there are two terms, most of the times this case happens that both of terms are square of some number. So you should be careful in this because we are going to apply this identity now. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So that becomes 1 minus 4b and 1 plus 4b. Right? That's the answer. Now C part. 6cx minus 3cy minus 2dx plus dy. Since there are four terms, we will make pair of these two and these two terms. In these two terms, we see that 3c is common. So we have here 2x minus y. In these two terms, we can see that negative of d is common. So we again have 2x minus y. Since minus is taken as common, so this plus will change. Both brackets will have same value. So that's the right thing. It becomes 2x minus y into 3c minus d as the answer. Next question, factorize x square minus y square. This is simply the identity x minus y, x plus y. In B part, we have to evaluate 102 square minus 98 square. It's same the above identity. So it will become 102 minus 98 times 102 plus 98. Now let's evaluate them. 102 minus 98 is actually 4 and 102 plus 98 is 200. So 4 times 200 becomes 800. That's our answer. Now next question, expand and simplify p minus 5, p plus 4. Expand means we have to multiply the brackets. That's quite simple process. First p will be multiplied with this value, then p will be multiplied with this, and then negative 5 will be multiplied with p and negative 5 will be multiplied with 4. So we have p square plus 4p minus 5p minus 20. And then we have p square, 4p minus 5p is minus p minus 20 as the answer. B part and first sub part, 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Again we can see that 4x square is the square of 2x, so it becomes 2x square, and 9y square is 3y squared. And if you look closely, that 12xy is basically 2 times of 2x times 3y. This expression takes the form of identity, which is a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. In place of a, we see here is 2x. In place of b, we see it is 3y. Since it is equal to a plus b whole square, so here this will become 2x plus 3y whole square. Right? Next question. The force acting on an object during collision is given by this formula. Given that m is equal to 4, v is 5, u is 3, and t is equal to 0.01, find the value of x. So let's substitute the values. F is equal to 4 times 5 minus 4 times 3 over 0.01. It becomes 20 minus 12 means 8 over 0.01. Now if I remove the decimal point with 0.01, we know that 0.01 is basically equal to 1 over 100. So basically, since it is already in the denominator, so its 100 will come in the numerator over 1, and we have 800 as the answer. It was A part. Now let's do B part. Rearrange the formula to make m the subject. That's the formula. F is equal to mv minus mu over t. So F times t is equal to mv minus mu. Take m as common, so it will be m times v minus u. Then v minus u will be divided, and we have m is equal to ft over v minus u. So m has been made the subject. That's the answer. Now the next question. Again, factorize completely 21a square minus 14a. The first rule of factorization is taking common, and we see clearly both 21 and 14 are multiples of 7. So 7a is common. In place of first term, we will have 3a minus here we have 2. That's it. That's the answer. Now second subpart, x square minus 3x minus 40. Again, we have to use midterm breaking technique. Split negative 3x into such numbers whose sum give you minus 3 and product gives you minus 40. So those are definitely 8 and 5. So x square minus 8x plus 5x minus 40. You should practice enough that you may not take a long time to think about these factors. You should do enough practice that these factors come into your mind in just a matter of seconds. Now take x as common from these two terms. We have x into x minus 8 and plus 5 as common from the third and fourth term. We again have x minus 8. X minus 8 and x minus 8 is same. So x minus 8 into x plus 5 is the answer. Now it's b part. Y is equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. The equation is 2y square plus ky minus 27 is equal to 0. Find the other solution. Simply, since y is equal to 3, let's put 3 in place of y. So we have 2 times 3 square plus k times 3 minus 27 equal to 0. And we have now 18 plus 3k minus 27 is equal to 0. 18 minus 27 becomes 9. So it becomes 3k minus 9 is equal to 0. 3k is equal to 9 and we have k is equal to 3 as the answer. Now next question, factorize completely 3x square minus 12x. Again we can see that 3x is common. So we have x minus 4, 3x into x minus 4 as the answer. Second part, x square minus xy minus 2y square. It's a quadratic kind of expression. So we will use technique of midterm breaking again. It becomes x square minus 2xy plus 1xy minus 2y square. Take x as common from first and second term. We have x into x minus 2y, and then y as common from these two terms. Again, it is x minus 2y. So we have x minus 2y into x plus y as the answer. Now b part, it is simplify x square plus 4x over x square minus 16. So take x as common in the numerator, x into x plus 4, but denominator, it's x square minus 4 square. Again, we will use this identity, a square minus b square, which is a minus b, a plus b. A plus b. So we have x times x plus 4 over x minus 4, x plus 4. X plus 4 whole bracket will be cancelled out with x plus 4. So we have x over x minus 4, which is the answer. Right? The last page now. A part. A is equal to h into 4m plus h again. Express m in terms of a and h. It means we have to make m the subject of this formula. So let's expand the bracket. It becomes 4mh plus h square. Further, it becomes a minus h square is equal to 4mh. Since we have to make m the subject, so 4 and h will be divided. So m is equal to a minus h square over 4h. That's the answer. Now b part. Factorize completely 3ax plus 5bx minus 6ay minus 10by. Let's regroup it. Group these two terms together and these two together. So we have 3ax minus 6ay plus 5bx minus 10by. Now take common. From these two terms, we can see that 3 and a is common. We have x minus 2y inside brackets, and here we can see 5b is common. Again, we are left with x minus 2y. So it is x minus 2y into 3a plus 5b as the answer. Fine. Now see part of it. Solve the equation 5x minus 1 over 9 is equal to 9 over 5x minus 1. We will do cross multiplication like this. 5x minus 1 multiplied with 5x minus 1 gives us 5x minus 1 whole square. 9 multiplied by 9 gives us 9 square. If we take square root on both sides, we have 5x minus 1 as equal to 9. So 5x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is 2. Now the next question. Find the value of this expression a plus under root a square plus b square over a square minus 2b. We have the values. Let's put these values. Since I have shortage of space, so let's put these values directly. Minus 4 plus square root minus 4 square plus b square, which is minus 3 square, over a square minus 2ab means minus 4 square minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 3. So we have minus 4 plus, it is 16 plus 9, which is 25 obviously. In denominator we have 16 minus, this minus minus becomes plus, so 2 4s are 8 3s are 24. So we have minus 4 plus 5 over minus 8. So minus 4 plus 5 is definitely 1 over minus 8. That's the answer of it. They say give your answer as fraction, so that's the final answer. B part, expand the brackets and simplify. It is 3x square minus 1 times 2x plus 3 minus x 9x minus 2. So we have here first 3x square will be multiplied with this as well as this, becomes 6x cube plus 9x square, then minus 1 will be multiplied here and here as well, minus 2x minus 3. Here multiply minus x inside, we have minus 9x square plus 2x. So finally we have 6x cube plus 9x square minus 9x square will cancel out. Similarly, minus 2x plus 2x will also cancel each other. We have 6x cube minus 3 as the answer. It is fine if you write down this way, or if you can take 3 as common, it becomes 2x cube minus 1. So both answers are fine. Since they say you have to expand the brackets, so this answer will be better. Now C part. In order to do C part, let me erase the previous one. Let me erase this part from here. So that I can do C part now. Factorize 9x square minus plus 5x minus 4. So we have 9x square plus 5x minus 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So we have to split 5 in such numbers whose product give us 36. So I have 9x square and the factors of 36. Look, 1 and 36. 2 and 18, because 2 times 18 is 36, 3 times 12 is 36, 4 times 9 is 36. So obviously 4 and 9 are giving us 5, as 9 minus 4 is 5. So plus 9x minus 4x minus 4. Now in these two terms 9x is common. So I have x plus 1 in the bracket, and here negative 4 is common. So I have x plus 1 again. So we have x plus 1 into 9x minus 4. So it is factorized. Then they say use your answer to this previous part to solve this equation. So we have to use this answer, and it is equal to 0. So we will put x plus 1, right? 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. Means x plus 1 is equal to 0, 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. From here we have x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 4 by 9. That's the answer. Now we come to the next part. It says that the sum of three consecutive integers is 84. Find three integers. Since the integers are consecutive, so let those integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Since their sum is 84, so it means x plus 1 plus x plus 2 as equal to 84. And adding them, we have 3x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 3 is equal to 84. This 3 will be subtracted, so we have 3x is equal to 81. Dividing 3, we have x is equal to 27. So first integer is 27, other will be 28, and third will be 29, as the integers are consecutive. So that's done. So this was the topic algebra. Hope you understood the questions, and I believe you will be confident enough to solve these questions for exams now. Thank you.